Hi, and welcome to this course. My name is Paul Hacker. In this course, we're going to be discussing version control with Team Foundation Version Control. This is the version control system that's built into Team Foundation server. So before we get started on introducing you to the course, I'd like to introduce you to myself. My name is Paul Hacker, and I'm a software engineer. I've been doing it for many years. I started out in Visual Basic 6. I'm also a conference speaker. I go around the country speaking at various code camps, tech fests, any kind of talk that I can give around technology, especially on the Microsoft stack when it comes to software development. I really like to do. So I visited many user groups in the process of doing this and met a lot of great people through the conference circuit. I'm also a Microsoft MVP in the Visual Studio technology space. Been in the MVP program since 2003, so that's about 14 years as of this recording. So let's talk about the overview of this course. So what will you learn when we go into Team Foundation version control? The first thing I want to talk about is version control concepts. Everybody should have an understanding of the concepts of version control, and we want to make sure that we address them as they relate to Team Foundation Server's version control system. Then we're going to actually talk about how you get started using Team Foundation version control, or what we call TFVC. And you'll see that used a lot throughout the course. We'll call it TFVC just to shorten it. Then we're going to talk about configuring TFVC. So how do we set up a version control system to be effective in our environment? So we'll show you how we're going to do that. And then we're going to talk about branching and merging. So once you start using the system, how do you go about branching? How do you go about merging? When do you want to do these things? So again, we'll talk to all those various pieces as we work through the course. So again, I really like you to sit back and enjoy this course. There's going to be lots of demos and lots of slides and lots of demos that we're going to be able to show you all these topics in this particular course.